Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to import .docx documents into your WordPress posts or pages, step by step, using the latest WordPress editor. If you've ever created content in Microsoft Word and wanted to move it straight into your WordPress site without retyping or reformatting everything, this tutorial is going to save you tons of time. So let's dive right in. Log into WordPress. First things first, open your web browser and head over to your WordPress site. At the top right corner, click on Login. You'll be taken to the login page where you can either use your email and password or, even better, use Google authentication for faster and more secure access. Sign in with Google for easy access now. Click Continue with Google and select the account linked to your WordPress website. Once you're logged in, click the Edit Site button that appears in your dashboard. This quick link will take you directly to the WordPress site editor, your main control panel for adding or editing content. Choose your website and navigate the editor. If you manage multiple sites, you'll now see a list of your websites. Choose the one you want to work on. Once you're inside, take a moment to explore the layout. The sidebar on the left shows pages and posts, and the top toolbar is where you'll find all your editing tools. Getting familiar with this interface makes everything faster and smoother. Add a file block, all right. Now it's time to add your .docx document. Click the plus icon in the top left corner. This opens up the block menu. In the search bar, type File. You'll see the file block appear. This is a feature that lets you upload and display downloadable documents directly on your posts or pages. Upload your .docx file. Once the file block is added to your page, click Upload. Browse through your computer files and select the .docx document you want to import. Click Open, and WordPress will automatically upload and embed the document for you. Within seconds, your Word document is now part of your post or page, ready to be shared with your readers. Finalize and format your content. After importing, you'll see the document link or preview right in the editor. You can easily rename it, add a short description, or move it around using drag and drop. This simple process makes it easy to update or integrate documents without any complicated plugins or coding. And that's it. You've just learned how to import .docx documents into your WordPress posts or pages the easy way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on my upcoming WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.